name is Paulina, and I work for WISE Kid-Netic Energy at the University of Manitoba. What we do is we travel all throughout Manitoba doing STEM camps for kids, so we teach them about science and engineering, and they do lots of hands-on activities, and sometimes they even get to take what they make home. I hope to learn basically how to organize my time a lot better. And even presenting is really an important skill, especially for my future job as an engineer.
As an employer, it has helped to guarantee that we can hire the instructors that we need to maintain the outreach that we do throughout Manitoba to underrepresented youth. Our program in particular really prefers to have undergraduate students because we're looking for people that are well educated but are also quite young.
I think this program is very important just for science literacy.
I'm always impressed by their ingenuity, their efficiency and creative way of being able to get the job done.
With a summer job, you not only meet new people, but you also maybe challenge yourself to do things that you would have otherwise never done before.